guys.
Why am I in the background?
I don't know. Get the fuck out of the background. Alright, it's 2019. We need to secure our data. The only way to do it is destroy it for real. We're on the farm. Let's go do it. We got something special for you today. This is a AR-15 round. Yeah, it looks a little small compared to this 300 Weatherby Magnum. These cost about $5 a crack. Known to be one of the higher muzzle velocity rounds in the hunting world, so let's see what happens. See here, looks like they're
Nick's got a bunch of stuff.
oh, look at that. Oh, the iPod Touch
Stopped it.
that was the iPod Touch that stopped that. So how many dead ones do we have? Is there a definitive answer here? This one lit on fire for real here. So what are we're picking up iPhones 10 feet back?
Yep.
What do you got? You got there? Oh man, that thing.
That's the last one.
That ain't working. Dude, this is crazy. Holy shit. Smells like mango? Yeah. Who would have thought iPhones smell like mango when you put the 300 Weatherby Mag to them? First one worked?
Should have had like filming the slow.
Oh, that would have been awesome.
I know.
But then,
Yeah.
then what?
Yeah, I don't think any of these are gonna really work. And I don't think there's any way to do a second shot.
You and I. They're on right here.
Home button popping out.
That gray box.
Another one ready to go. All right, you ready, Jack?
Yeah, you gotta throw it up high though.
Yeah, ready?
Go.